gotta cheat on my barber. I'm gonna keep it 100. Like, bro, what is you doing in Idaho, my dog? On vacation for how damn long? All right, y'all, what's the deal? It's your boy ChefQuail, and today is day. Hold it still, right? Hold it like right here. Like right there, yeah. Hold it straight, yeah. Hey, hey, what's the deal, y'all? It's your boy ChefQuail, and today is day 9 of Vlogmas. Stop. You are moving. You moving.
I know.
No, you're not supposed to move. And I still ain't got a haircut, bruh.
Voila, babies.
All right, y'all. What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy ChefQuail. Today, day 9 of Vlogmas. So I for sure took a day off, bruh. I took a day off because I was chilling, bruh. I had to, get my mind right, y'all. Why y'all not tapping in on my videos, y'all? I need y'all to make sure y'all like the video. I need y'all to make sure y'all subscribe on the video. I need y'all to comment on the video. Hit that noti bell so you know when I drop a video. See, and tell them what you lost at school today.
What does it look like? Earrings or not earrings?
So why you lose the earring? Come here.
Because I was playing soccer, and then I was...
Stand still for a second.
And then I was trying to get the ball, and then it got stuck on the net.
Tell her she look like me. Here, do your regular face, look. Like, girl, you look like a boy. You look like little Bow Wow right now. Like a Mike. Anyway, we're gonna bounce to the store.
Yeah, so right now, we stopped here, and I feel like I want to give something to my class tomorrow.
Tomorrow? I think you're supposed to do it like on the last day before Christmas.
No, we do it tomorrow.
Tomorrow? You guys are so extra. You're supposed to do it the day before Christmas. Like it's a Christmas gift.
Come on, let's do a thumbnail.
All right, come on. Oh,
That's broke.
that's broken. Heidi, let me see your dollar bills. Marco, help her. Okay. Y'all. She wanna be you bad. Let me see. Make your money. Make your rich face.
All right, so we need 24.
Harley doesn't know how many people are in her class. 4,
6, 8, 10, 12.
She's just counting.
Hold up. Oh, I'm tripping.
You're counting how much money is gonna be.
How many you got?
She's counting the same ones over and over. Like Smokey.
Let me see. Smokey. That ain't nothing but $100, Smokey. All right. All right, come on.
Okay, yeah, Dad, I need to get different ones because you keep breaking all of them. All right, y'all, we'll be back because this is chaotic.
What? This for Hardy classmates. All right, y'all. So she got me filling out names on these dollar bills, bruh. It's 24 over and over, bruh. Like, sheesh. Let's see. This little bankroll. Hello? We got the chocolates for the school tomorrow. Gingerbread cookies with no gingerbread, okay? We have some cookie dough, and we have the gingerbread. Y'all, she has main character syndrome, so that's part of the problem. So we're gonna put the cookie dough directly in the middle of the parchment paper. Boom, and then what she's gonna do is she's going to roll it. Get it as flat as you can get it. Ooh, you strong, girl. Hey, shout out to the neighbors. They came through. Let's see what came through with some spicy habanero sauce.
And some Stitch.
Some cheese.
Favorite.
Oh, look, is this the cheese? Oh, wow, I want to try this.
Stitch.
Oh, that look good.
Neighbors, they came through, bruh. We're going to bless them back with some lasagna or something. We're going to go boom, then we're going to go boom, okay?
No, we're going to do...
Let me see. Her hands are wet. She want me to practice her?
It's just so squishy.
Let me see. Turn it over. Turn it. right, now, boom.
All right, tell us you about to do it again, man.
Now flatten it out. So what we're gonna do is flatten it out.
Oh man, it's smushed.
Girl,
It's cracked.
she ripped the plastic.
Alrighty.
But I'm trying to get it ready.
Cause you can't hit it like that, girl.
But I'm a strong lady.
You're a girl.
Hey, excuse me.
Wait, can I do
I
it?
got it.
After you have a time.
Yeah, I gotta change the person for the two, maybe. Let's see.
Look at her hands, y'all.
Cardi, could you move?
Have a time
I'm trying to make it a much for you.
Have a time
I don't know if you're gonna be able to have a turn. Dad, I'm trying to do it the best way possible.
So you can make a lot of gingerbread.
Do you say,
And
"Oh
then-
man," or are you grateful that you already got help?
Okay, because I was just gonna let you get in there too, so that man. Alright, so now. She got that bag. Hold up.
Okay, you guys, we got 6. 5.5.
All right, y'all, we finna go straight in the oven with the gingerbread man, and we're gonna see how they come out. What you think they gonna come out?
Perfect.
And they looking like gingerbread unks. We got the gingerbread man. All right, boom, we're gonna take him off, put him on the Grinch plate, y'all, all right?
Can I try to do one?
Oh, you here?
Frosting.
You need to decorate it.
Good.
But we need something to decorate.
Show me the gingerbread man. Now,
My two question is we need.
you ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, y'all, that's a wrap. Vlogmas Day 10 is in the books, y'all. We back on the grind, y'all. I'm back every day in it with it. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on the video, y'all. We did the gingerbread cookies. We did the lasagna. My first time making lasagna. Come on, baby. Who y'all playing with? So y'all make sure y'all like the video, share the video. Tomorrow we right back at you. And I'm finna be getting a haircut soon, so we're gonna be throwing a haircut vlog. Throw a haircut vlog in here, and I'm gonna let y'all come with me. So watch me get a fresh cut, boy. I gotta cheat on my barber. I'm gonna keep it 100. This dude on vacation for how damn long? So I gotta find somebody to cut my hair, bro. That's the real reason. This nigga in Idaho. Like, bro, what is you doing in Idaho, my dog? Oh yeah, we still give y'all a full house tour, y'all. But when the time comes, we're gonna get y'all right. But until then, much love. Shout out everybody that pulled up. Shout out everybody that's outside with us. Everybody that tuned into the Vlogmas. It's your boy, Chef Quail. Peace.